Hello everyone on YouTube. Welcome to the Stock Martin Show. If you're new to the channel, please, I ask that you subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. If you're back, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I have a great show for you today. We're going to talk about NIO and CCIV, the big news, the big stock moves, and we're going to get into it. But before we do, please give me that thumbs up. It's the like button. It'll put a big smile on my face. I'll also share this video with others around the community. Also, I do have a link down below to Webull. If you deposit $100 using the link below, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. In addition to that, I also have some Coinbase link down below. If you deposit $100, you get $10 of crypto stock. Well, let's get down with it and see what kind of news we have about NIO. We'll start with NIO. NIO has just announced that it has announced a deal to double its production, which shows that this vehicle is in very high demand in China, and also it will be in very high demand coming in Europe as well, because NIO has expanded internationally, starting with Oslo, Norway. This article by the Motley Fool says that the Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO has extended its current manufacturing deal for another 3 years. So if you do not know this, NIO does not own any of the production buildings, the building facilities to make their vehicles. What they do is they actually get their vehicles manufactured by a Chinese state-owned automaker that is JAC, Jianghuai Auto Group. And I'm sorry if I butchered that name, as I don't know how to pronounce it. They are the ones actually producing NIO's vehicles. Here's a picture of one of those factory that NIO has produced its 100,000th vehicle in April of this year. This new deal is very important for NIO because it shows a few major things. It shows that people are very interested in the NIO product, is in very high demand. Now NIO has extended its contract through the next 3 years, through May of the year 2024. And not only have they increased that deal, they also increased the manufacturing capacity of the factories to produce 240,000 NIO vehicles per year, which is about 20,000 NIO vehicles a month. So that's roughly doubling the amount of production that NIO is capable of doing right now. NIO said in April that it has completely upgraded its ability to manufacture vehicles to 10,000 vehicles per month. And now that they're going to be doubling that, it's great news for NIO and all the people looking to buy NIO. The only rate limiting steps that's out there right now is the ongoing shortages of the semiconductors, these chips. Hopefully I'm going to make a video in the next few days that will explain why we have that semiconductor chip shortage that's impacting all vehicles, all electronics, and it's going to take some time to get that back, but the price is going to go up. I also wanted to ask everybody out there, when do you think the semiconductor shortage will come back into full swing, that we don't have this anymore and that we don't have to worry about these delays in EV production vehicles? Let me know down below. I'd like to hear from you. So as you can see, this is a big catalyst for NIO moving forward. There's another article, and this is from Seeking Alpha. It says that NIO is seeing order momentum with the Chinese automaker as it's entering new cities. As I mentioned, NIO is going international, starting with Oslo, Norway, in Q3 of this year, 2021. Also, a lot of banks, United States banks and banks all over the world, some German banks, they have started to invest quite a bit into NIO, and also some big stock buyers such as Cathie Woods and ARK Invest is researching to add NIO into some of their portfolios as well. So please check that out. NIO has a lot of momentum and a lot of money flow that is going into those. Some great news is that there have been some channel checks that have been confirmed and that have been showing that there's a gradual recovery in orders that has improved since March, and it's continually improving month to month to May. So those production vehicles are starting to ramp up again. So hopefully this chip shortage and all these backlogs of batteries will start getting corrected soon, so their stock will start going up higher as well. There is an analyst, Ming Lee, who has been researching NIO, and they have seen that the NIO house and the NIO space openings have really helped with the Chinese automaker, especially getting new people on board. So if you're not familiar with the NIO house or the NIO space it's NIO's creating this customer-centric environment that if you're a NIO owner of their vehicle, you can go into the NIO house, meet other people that have NIO vehicles. You can share information. Basically is like a house where you can go, you can mingle with people, you can have meetings there, you can watch movies. You can definitely be a community. That's one of the big things that NIO has, and a very powerful selling point is that it really is customer centric. Also, NIO is working on its second generation battery swap stations. So NIO does offer battery as a service that is extremely important in revenue production. It will be on a monthly subscription as well. The key no other electric vehicle has that NIO has is that you can purchase a NIO vehicle with a battery and you can always upgrade or change the battery at a later date. So for example, let's say you wanted to buy their most expensive, their top of the line vehicle, and you wanted to get a little bit of discount on it, you can purchase the vehicle with a lower range battery, and later on you can always upgrade that battery if you needed to. Also looking forward, NIO has been working and will be rolling out its 100 kilowatt battery power pack that will come out in June. And this is going to be a big game changer because it's going to be increasing the range of NIO vehicles, which is a big selling point as well. So Bank of America does give NIO a buy rating at this time, and that is because of its robust volume sales, margin expansion, also that it's streamlining all these production vehicles. And don't forget, next year NIO will be coming out with the ET7, which will be their premium flagship sedan that's going to compete against the Tesla Model S. And if you haven't seen this, it is an amazing, amazing car. So again, some very good news there. So as we can see, there's a lot of great news out there for NIO. There's great news out there that they're going to be doubling their production of their vehicles. They're also having a lot of banks, American banks, German banks, that have putting a lot of money into NIO, which is a great catalyst that will increase NIO price in the future. Now let's take a look at the NIO stock price and some predictions that we have. Going back to the NIO stock price, currently today it was trading at $37.07. I have the 1 month stock chart up here, and as you can see, we've in the past month went from a high of $42.62 all the way down 26.75% by $11.40, all the way to a low of $31.22. But as you can see, it tested that bottom and it popped right up. In the past 5 days, in the past week, a little bit over a week, we have had some really good momentum upwards. We've had the stock having quite a bit of a rebound, which I'm really excited about. And all these news that the banks are coming out there supporting NIO. Now NIO has announced that it's going to be extending their production contract with JAC, which is the Chinese-based company, to produce these vehicles for the next 3 years until May 2024. That's exciting news. They're also going to double their production to 20,000 units or 20,000 vehicles per month. So all these great things are coming out with NIO that are slowly going to be increasing the price. Some of the downwinds or the headwinds that I can see with NIO is still the chip shortage, which in the next few quarters we could see that this could kind of halt or put a little dampener on production. So we'll have to kind of watch and see how that goes. But as a whole, I'm really bullish on NIO, and I think it's going to do great in the next year. In the next year, I believe that by the end of this year, NIO has a great potential to end the year at about $50. And I have this stock prediction listed here. By the end of this year, I believe that we can get a 43% upside on your money right now if you invested right now. Also, for the next few years, if we look out to the year 2025, we have a 319% or a potential to increase your money to a stock price of $150. Whenever it branches out into all the other markets, we're gonna really see this stock go up. The reason why you can see these very big bullish predictions of the stock is that NIO is just a new company. It's just starting off in China. It has a great backing in China by the Chinese government. They're putting a lot of money into it. Their production lines are Chinese-based factory, Chinese-based state-sponsored companies that are not going to let this stock or not going to let this vehicle down. They have such a big potential to move up. Thank everyone out there. I know you support my channel, and I thank you so much for doing that. I haven't posted any videos for the past few days just because my mom's been in the hospital, and I would like to give her a shout out. I hope she gets better, comes back home safely. I love you, Mom. And thank you so much for everybody out there for watching this video. If you like it, please give me that thumbs up. It'll put a big smile on my face. I'll share this video with other people. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hit all. You'll get all my videos. Whenever something comes out, you'll know. Don't forget your 2 free stocks